Here we are at Olivar, one of our 3 vineyards at Vineyard Winery. We're standing on a plantation of Syrah. These grapes go to our single vineyard wine, Syrah El Olivar. And as you can see, we are in a Piedmont. We're standing over a very shallow soil with just a few centimeters of actual soil, and under that we have a fragmented rock. So as you can see, here we have some benches. We're still waiting for the perfect ripeness to harvest this. We think that we need to wait 2 weeks to pick this and to get all the flavors and all the ripeness of the tannins that we want. And well, this is a previous video for you guys.